Hi friends, welcome to TechTalk channel. Today I will show you in this video how to create Registry editor shortcut desktop on Windows 10 PC. Before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. First of all, you have opened this PC or my computer. Then open C drive. Click on Windows. Here you search Registry editor. You can see here Registry editor. Select and right click. Select create shortcut. Click on S. You can see here Registry editor on desktop. Click on S. So in this way create Registry editor shortcut on desktop in Windows 10 PC. So hope like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.